What are you getting here?
Dilaudid. You don't think I'll Yakadoo, do you?
No. It's stronger than morphine. A little bit stronger.
A little bit stronger.
I haven't really had painkillers since my house burned down. Which is much different. Wow. Never had Dilaudid. What do you have, Sue?
I don't remember. Okay, so Mark, when's your birthday? Again?
3/14/73.
Okay, any allergies?
Nope.
Hopefully not to this stuff.
Well, at least I'm in the right place for them.
This is just a flush, okay? So it's just water.
Okay.
How long does this last? You say no driving or drinking. That's right.
Oh, no driving for at least 8 hours.
Oh.
Sweet.
Here we go.
You feel it right away.
Look at the camera.
Night, night. No, just kidding.
See you later.
Doesn't work that quick.
Oh.
Aw.
What do you got going on down there?
Just freaking you getting juiced up. Hopefully they just don't ban you from any form of racing for this one.
Yeah. It's off season. Out of competition, there's some use of certain, like hippie lettuce out of competition is okay. During competition, not so okay. Oh yeah.
You feeling it?
Feel a little something, a little warm in the neck zone. And you get a little giggly.
It's ready to go riding again now.
Yeah. Oh man. All right.
And there it is.